right, hi guys. So this is my recording of my program. The program's name is Zodiac CLI. So we're going to run this program as a new program. So we are going to ruby bin/rum. This is going to start our CLI. Okay, this will right here jumpstart our CLI class. It will start our defy here, this method here, and it will jump right into intro, where it will explain you to the intro. Welcome to the world of Zodiac horoscopes, where you will find your daily horoscope. You may exit at any time to exit the program. So if you do wish to exit, you can type in exit or even exit in uppercase, and it will always exit you out the program at any point in time within any of the prompts. So it would now loop you into options. This right here, this method here, user input, gets your response, and it strips out any type of spaces you may have in your response so that it doesn't make any problems. And it also changes anything you enter into a lowercase item. So that's what the dot down case is. So here you have define options. So here you have, it will ask you to input your month in MM format. This will allow you to input a data. So this if statement right here is just like I explained. You can enter exit anytime, and it will prompt my method called exit program to exit your program. All right, so let's say I use my date of birth, December, and then same thing here for the day in DD format to find your zodiac. So mine is going to be 01. Okay, I am a Sagittarius. Woohoo! So here it's going to, this is what happens in that setting. So this, I have a case program. I have a case. I have a case instance here where it shows you different months and days combinations that equals a zodiac. So month 12 and end is less than 22 and greater than 0. Will allow you to have we allow you to print out the Zodiac Sagittarius, okay? And this goes on and on for all 12 Zodiacs, okay? This is because each Zodiac has half a month, and it is very hard to do an if statement in regards to a half a month statement. So skip over that. If you do decide to type in any other response other than any number, if you anything 12 or less in the months, or anything over 31, then it would give you an invalid response saying, something went wrong, try again and exit the program. And it would loop you back into the beginning where you can type everything over again. So here, let's say I type in month 13 and 02, right? 1302, it will do that, and it will prompt you to try again, okay? Now, this little if statement here is just checking to see if your item, if their astro sign is not invalid. So if it is not invalid, then it will put your zodiac. So let's go back. Oh, excuse me. So let's go back. Okay, it will print your zodiac, and then it will go into the method called deeper info. This method is right here. This will now prompt you for another response. If you want your daily horoscope, you enter Y. If you wish to exit, then you enter exit. Okay. Your response, you type in Y or exit. If yet again you type in a different response, it would print out a new invalid response. It will ask you again to type in Y or to type in exit, and it will loop back in to the same thing. So this, if you response is Y, if it equals Y, then it will put in your daily horoscope. So if I wanted to know more about my Sagittarius horoscope, it will give me my horoscope for today, and it'll prompt this method to print out more horoscope. After that, it'll prompt to say play again if I wish to play again. This method here, play again, is literally just a loop so that you'll play over and over again if you want to know another zodiac, okay? Now here, the Zodiac Deep Info is up here. It invokes and through a cycle for to compare what you have, what your zodiac is. It compares that into this astro sign, and it allows it to, if it fits a comparison, then it will allow it to print another method that I have made, which is these methods down here. These methods down here, they allow you to print out your horoscope. Now I have here that it has a cycle and where it would remove the URI. It has the hash that I used had a link in it, so it had to remove that. It also had this stuff here that was ending in the back of the horoscope, so I couldn't remove, so I had it removed there. And then it had here where it had the zodiac object, and I had that made into nil because we don't need to see that. And I did that for each and every zodiac, okay? So each and every zodiac has its own method that does that same thing. So we'll go back up to here, and it'll print out your horoscope via here, okay? And that is it for this part, okay? If you wish to play again, it gives you the option to play again. So let's say I want to play again. Let's say I want to do February 2nd, okay? February 2nd, my zodiac will be Aquarius. Do I want to know more? Yes, this will be the zodiac for Aquarius today, okay? If I wish to exit, I will type in exit. Now, just to show off the little back part of the code, okay, I have here called API.getData. That is this API class here. This API will then take a response and will take the REST client.get. This takes my link from the internet. It'll take it from the internet, and it will allow me to use this into my program. It would take the zodiac info. It would take that and put this into this object, zodiac info, and it will allow me to, actually I lie. It would take that and put it into this object response, and I have another object, zodiac info, which allows me to make it readable and a lot more readable and pull it so that I can get this specific hash from this website, okay? And I'm allowed to take that zodiac, that zodiac underscore info, and it will create a new instance within my zodiac class. This zodiac class here has all the attributes that I would need for my program. That includes every single zodiac that is named within so that I can pull it properly. Okay, this allows me, instead of typing in and initializing every single one, this initializes it for me. Okay, so it makes it a little bit more easier and a little bit more maintainable and readable. Okay, and that is basically it, guys. So if you do ever want to use my program, all you have to do is start it off by typing in bundler, and it would require and it would download all the items needed for my program, okay? Once you receive all these items, you'll just download the gem, and then you'll just do Ruby bin/run, and you can use my program. And you'll be able to find your zodiac horoscope for the day. And I think that is all. I think we went through everything here. Yep. Well, thank you for your time, guys.